Looking for a shampoo and conditioner that truly delivers on hydration and repair for dry, damaged hair? Vegan Silk Hydro Luxe Shampoo Plus Conditioner offers exactly that. Packed with innovative vegan silk proteins and nourishing natural ingredients, this duo restores your hair's strength and shine without the harsh chemicals you want to avoid. What sets this collection apart is its unique use of vegan silk, a biomimetic ingredient designed to bind moisture deeply into each strand. Along with vitamin B, vitamin E, shea butter, and sweet almond oil, it seals in hydration and smooths damaged hair, leaving it silky soft and visibly healthier. Plus, it's free from parabens, phthalate, SLS, mineral oil, and any questionable additives, so you can feel confident about what you're putting on your scalp. I've tried countless products over the years, but Vegan Silk Hydro Luxe truly stands out. My hair was brittle and dry from heat styling and environmental damage. After just a few washes, I noticed a real difference: less frizz, more shine, and a softness I hadn't felt in months. The best part? It's 100% vegan and cruelty-free, and the packaging is made from recycled plastic, making it a smart choice for both your hair and the planet. If you're tired of shampoos that promise results but fall short, this one is worth a look. It delivers salon-quality moisture and strength, right at home. Whether you're battling dryness, breakage, or dullness, Vegan Silk Hydro Luxe can help you reclaim your hair's natural vitality. Try it when you're ready to give your hair the care it deserves. Ready to transform your hair routine? Vegan Silk Hydro Luxe Shampoo Plus Conditioner is your go-to for hydration that lasts, strength you can see, and softness you can feel. With every wash, you're not just cleaning your hair, you're nourishing it with ingredients that work together to restore and protect. Make the switch today and enjoy hair that shines with health.